day 49 here, and we have done some revisions here to the design of the kitchen and the service area. Okay, most notably, if we go up the stairs here, now this is where it all started. Remember, there was a post there that we have demolished, and that was the new one. Now if you notice, it is not centered with the stairs. So our plan is to put a fake column here, possibly the same size, and then insert shelving in between, or create something of that nature. In any case, we plan to make the wall come to a halt about here, and then this would be the passageway going into the kitchen. Now, all passageways going in the kitchen is recommended, the USA and Canadian Building Code, to be 100 centimeters. So this is what we have done, and there we have the kitchen, which I'll get to in a moment. But let's talk first about the powder room. The powder room will enter here, at which point there will be nothing, probably just a mirror and some shelves. Then you will make a right turn, and then there will be the lavatory here, and then followed by, at the very far end, all the way over here, there will be a water closet. And we specifically designed it as such because it is always nice to have the powder room toilet as far as possible from the kitchen. So essentially we're putting that all the way towards the front of the house, while the stove and oven is all the way at the back of the house. This is good feng shui, as they say. There's a saying that goes, don't eat where you, well, there you go, you know how it goes. Okay, so now let's get to the important and very functional design that we have been working on, is the kitchen flow. So it begins here. This is where the refrigerator is, and you open the doors, they should swing out that way. Usually from the refrigerator you will take your vegetables or whatever it is, and there will be a countertop right here with a sink, a small sink, where you can wash your vegetables and whatnot, and make some preparations here. Meanwhile, on the other side over here, there will be a high bar counter. So this is a multi-purpose counter. It can be used for entertaining. It can also be used for prep work. Then usually the food will pass over here, and this is the location of the stove and the oven. So most of the food cooking will be done there, at which point everything will be discarded to the right, the counter over here. There will be a wall here, but a doorway that goes to our service kitchen. So all the dirty dishes and all the trash now goes to the dirty kitchen, where everything can be cleaned properly and sorted through and discarded, etc. So that is the flow of our kitchen. So essentially, from the dirty kitchen to the refrigerator, to the sink, to the stove and oven, and then back out. There's a clockwise flow. Very important for a kitchen if you want it to be functional and optimal. All right, so these are the revisions that we have done, and this is how it's shaping up to be in the kitchen and service area.